Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on radial velocity, radial acceleration and transverse velocity and transverse acceleration. So let's get started. The velocities of a particle, the velocities of a particle along and perpendicular to a radius vector, along and perpendicular to a radius vector from a fixed origin, from a fixed origin r, lambda r square and mu theta square, where lambda and mu are constants, where lambda and mu are constants. Find the polar equation of the path. Find the polar equation of the path of the particle, and also its and also its radial and transverse acceleration, radial and transverse acceleration in terms of r and theta. So this is the given question, where first sentence is the velocity of a particle along. What do you mean by the velocity of a particle along? Means that is radial velocity. So given that radial velocity means velocity along particle, and radial velocity formula is, that is r into theta dot, and r theta dot is given, sorry, only r dot. Radial velocity is nothing but r dot, and r dot formula is given, that is here lambda r square is given. Similarly, the first line, the velocity of a particle along and perpendicular. Perpendicular means that is transverse velocity. Transverse velocity. What is formula for transverse velocity? Transverse velocity formula is r theta dot, and r theta dot is equal to mu theta square, where lambda and mu are the constants. We have to find the polar equation. So to find the polar equations, let us say this is equation number 1, and transverse velocity is equation number 2. So now equation 1 divided by equation 2 gives, I will write here, equation 1 divided by 2 gives, that is r dot divided by r into theta dot is equal to lambda r square divided by mu theta square. Okay, now what is r dot? R dot is nothing but dr divided by dt. This is r dot value divided by, in denominator write down r as it is. What is theta dot? Theta dot is nothing but d theta divided by dt, and this is equal to lambda r square divided by mu theta square, where this dt get cancels. Then write down the remaining terms. So this is equal to 1 divided by r into dr divided by d theta is equal to lambda r square divided by mu into theta square. Now separating the variables. If you separate the variables, I will write this 1 by r as it is. Transpose this lambda r square divided by mu to the left hand side. If you transpose to the left hand side, you will get mu divided by lambda r square into dr is equal to, transpose d theta to the right hand side, so d theta divided by theta square. Or you can also write it as this mu divided by lambda is constant, right, as it is. 1 divided by this r into r square. R into r square is equal to r cube into dr is equal to d theta divided by theta square. Now on integrating, what we get on integrating? Mu divided by lambda is constant, right, as it is. What is integration of this? 1 divided by r cube. 1 divided by r cube, we can also write it as r raised to minus 3, and its integration is equal to r raised to minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. So directly I will write, that is 1 divided by minus 2 into 1 divided by r raised to 2, because this is nothing but r raised to minus 2 divided by minus 2. If you transpose r raised to minus 2 in denominator, you will get 1 divided by r square is equal to, what is integration of 1 by theta square? Integration of 1 by theta square is minus 1 divided by theta. You can take integrating constant minus c. Now both the sides, this minus get cancelled. This minus and this minus, throughout minus get cancels means you will get, that is mu divided by lambda, then 1 divided by 2r square is equal to 1 divided by theta and plus c. Transpose this c to the left hand side, so that you will get mu divided by lambda into 2r square. Or transpose this lambda to the right hand side. Better I will write, if you transpose this lambda to the right hand side, so mu divided by 2r square. Then if you transpose lambda to the right hand side, lambda divided by theta plus lambda divided by c, and then what you will get, that is mu divided by 2r square is equal to, lambda divided by theta. This lambda by c is constant, so we can write it as plus k, where k is equal to lambda divided by c, and total we can write it as mu divided by 2r square minus k is equal to lambda divided by theta, which is the required path. This is the required path. Now we have to find the radial acceleration and transverse acceleration. Now what is formula for the radial acceleration? Radial acceleration formula is r double dot minus r theta dot square, and transverse acceleration is 1 by r d by dt r square theta dot. So to find r double dot, I will write first r dot. I will write here first r dot. So now what is r dot? R dot from equation 1 we can write it as lambda r square. Lambda r square. Okay. Now what is its differentiation? So its differentiation is r double dot is equal to, lambda is constant, differentiation of r square is 2r into r dot, and substitute the value of this r dot here. So this is equal to 2 lambda r into r dot value is again lambda r square. So total we can write it as 2 lambda square r cube. This is the value for r double dot. Now what is radial acceleration? So radial acceleration is equal to r double dot minus r theta dot square. Substitute the values. R double dot value is 2 lambda square r cube minus r into, what is theta dot? From equation 2. From this equation 2, theta dot is equal to, here this is theta dot is equal to mu theta square divided by r. We have to substitute this value in the equation. So that is mu theta square divided by r. Mu theta square divided by r, and theta dot square means theta dot square. So theta dot square is equal to whole square. So total it is 2 lambda square r cube minus r into, if you simplify this you will get mu square theta raised to 4 divided by r square, where one of the r get cancels, and that is equal to 2 lambda square r cube minus mu square theta raised to 4 divided by r. So this is the radial acceleration. Now similarly we have to find the value for transverse acceleration. What is transverse accelerations? I will write here. Transverse acceleration is equal to transverse acceleration formula is 1 divided by r d by dt of r square theta dot. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by r d by dt of r square. I will write as it is. Substitute the value for theta dot. From equation 2, theta dot we can write it as mu theta square divided by r. Here one of the r get cancels. This one of the r get cancels. So this is equal to 1 by r. This mu is constant. This mu is constant. This mu is constant. So therefore I will write that mu outside. Then what is the remaining term? D by dt of r into theta square. D by dt of r into theta dot square. So mu divided by r into bracket. Now we have to differentiate this by using product rule. So first r as it is. What is differentiation of this r square? Sorry, theta square. Differentiation of theta square is 2 theta into theta dot plus next theta square as it is. What is differentiation of r? Differentiation of r is equal to r dot. Differentiation of r is equal to r dot. This is equal to, so we have to substitute the value for both theta dot as well as r dot. We have to substitute the value for this theta dot as well as we have to substitute the value for r dot from equations 1 and 2. That is mu divided by r into bracket 2r into theta. This is r 2 theta is nothing but 2r into theta. Substitute the value for theta dot. From equation 2, theta dot value is mu square, sorry, mu theta dot theta square, mu theta square divided by r plus theta square as it is. Substitute the value for r dot value from equation 1, that is lambda r square, and total this is equal to. So in this case this r and r get cancels and directly multiplying you will get this mu r into this whole term is equal to, that is 2 mu into this mu into mu is equal to mu square, then theta into theta square is theta cube divided by this r, that is r is equal to, now again multiplying this mu divided by r to the second term, so where plus mu theta square lambda, and then one of the r get cancels because this is divided by r and one of the r get cancelled, so we are left with this is r. So this is the transverse acceleration. Next example, if the angular velocity of a point, if the angular velocity of a point moving in a curve, moving in a curve be constant, be constant about a fixed origin, about a fixed origin. Show that its transverse acceleration, its transverse acceleration varies as its radial velocity. Its radial velocity. So, in the given question, given that angular velocity of a point moving in a curve be constant. So, angular velocity is constant. This is solution. Given that angular velocity is constant, angular velocity is equal to constant, but angular velocity is denoted by theta dot, and constant I will take omega. In bracket I will write say. So this is given value. Now we have to show that transverse acceleration varies as its radial velocity. Now what is formula for transverse acceleration? Transverse acceleration formula is 1 by r d by dt of r square into theta dot. This is the formula for transverse acceleration. So now I will write 1 by r d by dt of r square into, what is formula for theta dot? Sorry, theta dot value is given, that is equal to omega. Now that is equal to, this is equal to means briefly I will write transverse acceleration. Transverse acceleration is equal to 1 by r, omega is constant, remaining term is d by dt of r square, means differentiation of r square with respect to t. So this is equal to omega divided by r. Now what is differentiation of this r square? Differentiation of r square is 2r into r dot, and here this r and r get cancels. So what are the remaining terms? Transverse acceleration is equal to 2 omega r dot, and this is equal to, what is 2 omega? 2 is constant, so omega is constant, I will write it as k, and the remaining term is r dot, and r dot we can also write it as radial velocity, because radial velocity formula is r dot. This is r dot value is equal to radial velocity. So transverse acceleration is equal to constant into radial velocity, means this implies transverse acceleration is directly proportional to radial acceleration. So this is, sorry, radial velocity. So this is the required proof. Next example, if the radial and transverse velocity of a particle, if the radial and transverse velocity of a particle particle are proportional to each other, then show that the path is an equiangular spiral. So in here I will write solution. Given that what is given term? Radial velocity and transverse velocity of a particle are proportional to each other. They are proportional to each other means I will write transverse velocity. Briefly I will write TV. This is proportional to radial velocity is proportional to RV is proportional to TV. Means RV means radial velocity and TV means transverse velocity. So what is formula for RV? RV formula is R dot, that is proportional to TV formula is R theta dot, and the same term we can write it as R dot is equal to K into R theta dot. Okay, now what is R dot? R dot is nothing but dr divided by dt. K write as it is, R as it is, theta dot is d theta divided by dt. Both the sides dt get cancels. So we are left with dr is equal to kr into d theta. Now separating the variables, so transpose this r to the left hand side. What we get? dr divided by r is equal to k into d theta. Now on integrating we get, we get what is integration of this dr by r. Integration of dr by r is equal to 1 by, that is logarithm of r is equal to k is constant. What is integration of this d theta? Integration of d theta is theta plus I will take integrating constant log c. Transpose this log c to the left hand side. So logarithm of r minus logarithm of c is equal to k theta. And by using logarithmic property, log u minus log v, we can write it as log u divided by v. So it is log r divided by c is equal to k theta. Transpose this log to the right hand side. R divided by c is equal to e raised to k theta, or we can also write it as r is equal to, transpose the c to the right hand side, that implies r is equal to c into e raised to k theta. This is the required equiangular spiral.